Yeah,
Let me see stop. You can't work with it.
Come on, tell them place the rock up stop.
Hey boy, take 7. Fuck them on
Come on, tell them place. Where come stop from?
Tell him say a batty man. Say a batty man.
My batty man, my fuck me. My batty man, my fuck me. I'm not going there. Come in there. Some stop me there. Sit there. See my knife too. The bright you see my knife too. You have a knife.
Tell him say a man, a man.
I'm a man. You not fuck me and give me heads what here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Say your bad.
Run down.
Say your bad. Where you run for?
Will you stop the run up on us stay one place?
Where you run for? You say you're a bad man. Where will the gun from? You say bad?
It's nice. See if him lose. Running on, girl. You're tired too fast. Hey, oh, that's a nice. Yeah, look at it. Come, Pucci, come, Pucci. Come, Pucci. Pucci, tell them I beat you. Batman, for where?
Oh, get on water.
Get up. I'm a vomit.
Come.
Get up.
Are you first stab me up?
only a real Jamaican could understand this, so I'm going to tell you. Say. You ever hear one saying what they say? If you want to make money with your body, as a man, go on up a New Kingston. You ever hear that saying there? Yeah, well, well, things change. Just I say, because something happened and all these men who usually do the prostitution in New Kingston move. You see me I say, so now them there somewhere within Halfway Road. You see me I say, now, me I kind of speculate that them man are gay. Really, you know what I mean? So that's why, you know, me just kind of speculate, because I really and truly, I'm sure. Because you can hear somebody in the background and say, tell him say yeah man, tell him say yeah man. You see me? And all these things. You see me? Where them a fight for, me no want to know. What them doing at them one time, me no want to know neither. It's just that, if them for hurt them one another and stop up them each other, like that I should say. it go end up look bad for Jamaica again. You get what I say to you? Because the name of violence within this kind of thing too is being done on Jamaica. We don't really want Jamaica name mix up with no more of these things. You get what I say to you? So, people would really and truly have to help me with that one, because that one a mix up. You hear how the people them talk. I want to sound like one famous movie actor within Jamaica. You know the one where they start talk, it sound just like Smaddy will act moving in Jamaica, you see it? Alright, but you know what I mean? The violent part of it have to cut out. It have to cut out. And Jamaica really changed too, you see what I say? Because once upon a time, you know how things go in Jamaica, where once you hear anything mix up with these kind of activities, you know, you see me? Alright, I just pure madness, yo. Pure madness. You see me? Anytime it touch around Christmas, anytime around Christmas, me can't stop saying. It's like me just can't stop saying. Me know some things happen every day, but Christmas time is a big hell of a thing, yo. Me I tell you. Look, help me figure out what go another one. You, my viewers, you see me I say, because remember, I'm not God. I can't have all the answers, and I'm not Mr. Know-It-All. You understand? And as always, if you need to know more what go on, you have to click the subscribe button to the Skilla Entertainment. You see me I say, I'm in name Skilla, and that was Skilla's Entertainment.